Trillanes, yes.
Yes.
Can you just...
Just one more point, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, yeah.
Ito na
We're
po.
going
Mr. Chairman,
off
if I may.
tangent from
Okay,
from our
yes.
discussion.
If I may, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Fernandez.
Para to save time, no,
Yes.
Mr. Chairman, can we have the documents that na sinasabi mo a while ago? So, para lang po makuha namin yung lahat ng
Yes.
points that you have mentioned.
I already submitted to the COMSEC yung
When was this?
just today, yung nung
Okay.
present po.
Alright, thank you.
Kon po, yun po, as challenged earlier by Chairman Paduano, na pwede pong imbitahin yung AMLAC, but as I understand, hindi po exempted yung legislative inquiry because sinubukan na po namin yan. Pero exempted ang impeachment. Pero exempted ang impeachment. So lalabas po yan eventually din. Pero yung ombudsman po, when they investigated this, they asked the AMLAC, kasi meron silang MOA ng exchange of information, nakuha nila yung mga dokumento na yun, kaya nga po na-validate yung aming mga dokumento. At ang magpapatotoo po nito, yung tinanggal sa pwesto na si Deputy Ombudsman Arthur Carandang. You can also invite him. Pero ito po yan. Nakita nyo po kanina nung sinabi ni Chairman Suarez na kung pwede siyang pumirma, ano hong ginawa niya, nanggulo siya, no? Pero baka pwedeng ibalik natin doon sa issue na pipirma siya ng waiver. O baka ngayon, nagtutulog-tulugan naman ho.
Thank you.
May I interrupt?
Mr. Chairman.
Just one moment. I was not sleeping. I was praying
I hope
for his soul.
I hope I was included in your prayers, former President
Nagdarasal po ako. Hindi ako nagtutulog.
Okay.
Chairman, I was informed by the COMSEC that the documents that this representation is asking is not a document. It's a video.
No. This is the presentation. We got the same one. We can have it reprinted, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, with the permission of Chairman Dan.
We will give it.
Ang claim po kasi niya ay, yung mga pinasend po kanina ay galing sa yung mga pumasok dun sa accounts ng dating Pangulo. Mr. Chair, gusto nating maklarify kung ano po ang batayan para masabi na money yung source talaga ng mga pinasend na mga accounts, Senator Trillanes.
Sinabi niya yun, sir?
Mr. Chair, I'm addressing my question to Senator Trillanes.
Yes, because sinabi niyan, I'll file charges against him.
Mr. Chair, may we hear from Senator Trillanes?
Senator Trillanes.
Ang basihan po natin ay yung sinabi ni Arturo Las Cañas na mga lords na kapartner at pinoproteksyonan ni Duterte ay sina Michael Yang na kinorroborate ni Jimmy Guban at ni Colonel Asierto, si Charlie Tan na kasama dun sa 6.4 billion pesos shabu shipment, at itong si Sammy Uy na minensyon ni Arturo Las Cañas. Ang ano po, nung tinignan po namin yung bank accounts, yung records na present ko po kanina, Mr. Chairman, tinignan namin na may mga pumasok na manager's checks na in-encash nila, no? The whole family, no? Ay galing kay Mr. Sammy Uy. Tapos tinignan namin yung 6 months interval.
Mr. Chair, if the committee would like to hear first from the former president, I would indulge in that.
Alam mo, bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Ano mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo ba alam yan?
Mr. Chair, if our resource person is done, hindi po tayo nathi-threaten doon. And in fact, Mr. Chair, pinakinggan na po natin. Mr. Chair, I have the floor.
Suspension again.
Because I will be charging you. Ikaw pa? Ano ka man?